Hello everyone, Hector Mendoza here. Have you ever had the need to change a particular acronym or a word or a sentence? Have it have the document highlighted. That way, every time you open it up, it's easy to get to that particular area. So let me show you how easy it is to do it in Excel. I also have a video for uh, Acrobat and Microsoft Word. On this video, I'm going to show you how to change or highlight a particular cell that has a particular acronym or word. So let's get to it. So the first thing I want to do is I want to hit Control F. Oops, hit Control F, and I'm looking for a acronym that's DRY. Now, if I don't click on match case, it's going to select anything that has the word or the characters DRY. I'm looking just to change the acronym DRY. In some cases, it might be DRYY, DRYX, whatever, but it's a code that I'm looking for that starts with DRY. So I got DRY. I told it to match. I'm going to tell it to find all. I'm going to move this box. Then you see right here where it changes to two arrows, one up and one down. This allows you to expand this part. I'm going to select the first one. I'm going to hit my shift key, select the last one, and you see everywhere that's DRY, it selected it. Okay. Now, while it's selected, I could go in and change the color of the cell by clicking on this to yellow. And if I wanted to change the color, I could change the color of it. So now I'm going to deselect and show you what we did. So now every time you're looking for DRY in this document, which is right now it doesn't look like it, but this is a very busy document. And it's hard to find that when you're busy now. Most of y'all probably know you can hit Control F and then type DRY and and just keep on hitting enter. But if you notice, it's kind of hard to find out where it's finding it, especially when you have a real busy document. Okay, this way it makes it a lot easier. Now, what I'm about to show you is not part of this video that I was gonna do, but I'll show you some other stuff. There's 100 things you can do with the control function. So now there's a lot of headings in here. For instance, like cleaning codes, drywall, time work based on chair all or cabinets continued, HVAC. Those are uh, headings, and it's a little hard to find them right now. So what we can do is we can go in, since we know those are bold, I can hit Control F. Uh, we're going to delete this because we're not looking for a word and we're not trying to match any character. We are going to go to the formats. I'm going to choose the kind of format I'm looking for, and that particular one I want is a font that's bold. Then I'm going to hit OK. I'm going to hit Find All. Now, when I move this over, click here, go all the way down to the last one, it's going to highlight each one of those cells that have the a bold character in there. Now what we will do, so we're going to go ahead and we'll change the color of the box to a dark blue, and let's change the words into white and close out of here. Now you see how easy it is to find that now. See those headings, It has a box that's dark blue or whatever color you want, and it's white. You know, it's white reversed out text, so that kind of makes it easier to find something. Now you can find all your headings and DRY, and you can always change it back to the way you want. Well, guys, this is all I wanted to show you. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. That kind of helps me out on my numbers. Uh, Again, if you want to, what I just showed you here, I'm showing it in Word and Acrobat DC. Thank you for watching my video. I'll see you in the next one.